Hey there, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you the best screen protector for your money for the Apple iPhone 15. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name is Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm gonna have useful links down below in the description of the video. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I recently got the iPhone 15, and like all iPhones and all my phones, I always put a good screen protector on the phone because I'm always dropping the phone a lot. I like tossing it up and down, it falls sometimes. And the tempered glass screen protectors that I prefer to use on my phones protects my phone from cracking the screen when those falls occur. So a good screen protector will protect your phone from breaking, and it's very inexpensive. So it's definitely worth taking the time to buy it and install it either yourself or paying a company or a nearby store to do it for you. I personally prefer to order my screen protectors online, and I'm gonna have a link down below in the description of this video where you can get this exact screen protector. It actually comes with a couple screen protectors, not just one, so that once your first one starts cracking, you can peel it off and put another one right on there, and that way your phone will always be protected with a tempered glass screen protector. All right, I'm gonna show you now everything that comes in the package, and I'm gonna show you how to install it properly on your iPhone 15. So here I have one of my previous iPhones. As you can see, the screen is completely cracked. I mean, you can't really tell with the screen on the camera, but with the screen powered off, you can see all the cracks up here and over here. So the tempered glass has always saved my phone. So all I do is, once it has a couple cracks, I can just peel the old screen protector off and install the new one. And as you can see, if you look at my iPhone, the screen is perfect. All right, so let's jump straight into it. So I like to order these screen protectors online, and it's super inexpensive. So this one was, I believe, like $6 or something like that. So under $10, and look at just everything that it brings. So it actually brings this plastic piece here, which you can set on the screen of the iPhone so that it can help you align and position the new screen protector perfectly on the screen. As you can see, it comes out just slightly here on the edges so that the tempered glass screen protector can fit on here perfectly. Okay, you have a couple of cleaning cloths here. It actually brings 4 because there are 4 screen protectors, and it also comes with 4 screen protectors for your back camera lenses. So as you can see, this is super useful as well, since when you drop your phone on the back, the camera lens is very likely to break. So we can place these on here as well to protect the cameras. So let's see what else we have in here. Okay, and then we have the 4 tempered glass screen protectors. Okay, so we're just gonna need one, and we're gonna put the rest to the side to use them in the event that this one gets broken on the phone. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. Okay, so some of these screen protectors come with 2 different films that you have to peel off. This one is just one. You just peel it back, and once it's off, you're gonna place it on the phone. But before we do that, we're gonna make sure that the screen on the iPhone is completely clean. Okay, and how we're gonna do that is, you're gonna lock the screen so that it's black, so that we can notice any small dust particles that may be on the screens. Okay, so we're gonna open up one of these cleaning packets. So here is a dust sticker. You can use this afterwards to stick it onto the screen, and any dust will stick to this sticker to remove. But first we're gonna do step number 1, which is the wet tissue. So in case your phone has any grease or oil on it, you're definitely gonna wanna use the wet tissue first, because this will clean any excess greases and dirt on the screen. Okay, I'm gonna remove this first so we can press the lock button properly. Okay, once you finish using the wet cloth, we can now use the dry cloth to dry the screen and remove any other dust particles left over on the screen. Okay, so once you have used the wet cloth and the dry cloth, you may or may not need to use the dust sticker, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to use it. So you peel it off first, and then if you see any small little dust particles, you just stick it onto the screen there and peel it off, and it will remove any remaining dust particles. And also keep in mind the old-fashioned way. You can also lightly blow on the screen, and that will help remove any dust particles as well. Just make sure you don't get any saliva on the screen. Once your screen is completely clean and ready, we're gonna go ahead and place the plastic piece on top so that we can now position the screen protector properly. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and peel off the screen protector. And we're gonna position it on top of the iPhone 15 here. You can actually do just the top first, so push in the top till it locks into the top plastic part. And then you can let it drop slowly. Okay, once you dropped it and it landed fully leveled on the screen, we can go ahead and press down on it with our finger towards the bottom and slowly continue sliding your finger across the screen upwards so that all of the air bubbles are removed. Okay, we can go ahead and remove the plastic piece now and continue removing any leftover air bubbles. And there you go, all of the air bubbles have been completely removed. So now you can enjoy your iPhone and not worry about damaging your screen. So now let's go ahead and install the back camera glass protectors. So you're gonna have the little cover that looks like this. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and just peel it off like this. And we're gonna position it like this with the two major camera rings on the cameras, and the smallest ring will cover this small hole right here, which is for one of these speakers. Okay, and once you have it positioned on there properly, you can go ahead and press down on it, and there you go. All right, everyone, so there we go. Now we have the tempered glass screen protector and the camera glass on the phone all protected. And we have 3 more tempered glass screen protectors and 3 more camera glass protectors as well, in case we damage the ones that we just installed. All right, everyone, so go ahead and smash that like button if you got some value out of this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna be installing this screen protector and camera protectors on your iPhone 15. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.